These are the tools required to open up your Xbox 360 console. You need pry opening tools. So grab a good plastic pry opening tool, or you can use a metal spudger as well. Torx T6, T8, T10 security with a hole in it, screw bit of screwdriver, Phillips number 2 screw bit of screwdriver, a long pin tool. You also need any of the X clamp removal tools. You can use a micro-10 precision screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. Best is to grab one of these X clamp removal tools. By all means, these are the pre-made ready to go kits that open up the Xbox 360 console. They come with all the tools needed, so be sure to check these ones out also. Let's open up your Xbox 360 E console. We'll be removing the side grills first. Start with this hard drive side, so take out this cover, remove the hard drive. Grab your plastic pry opening tool, and there are a few clips that we need to unclip. So start from here. So once this is up, they may be a bit annoying to pop out, but they do come out with one of these tools, so you got to be pressing it here in order to unclip. Same process on the other side. So there's a few clips that we got to unclip and remove this side grill. Take out this Wi-Fi module, remove the screw. We'll be removing the bottom cover, peel off this warranty sticker. So there are two clips on this side, and then there's one clip on this side that we gotta unclip here. That's one popped out. The second one is here. There's one clip on this side. Slide it out. In order to remove the top cover, we'll be removing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black Torx T10 security screws. These are marked with the letter C. Flip it over. In order to remove the drive, we'll be inserting the pin tool in here, and this pops out. We're now able to lift up our this cover, slide this out a little bit, but be gentle, the ribbon cable is still connected. This comes out. So this step you gotta do it all together. So we'll be disconnecting the ribbon cable from here. Unclip this. Remove the adhesive from here. Faceplate is removed. Close the drive. We'll be taking out the DVD drive. There's 2 cables here that we need to remove. We'll be removing the RF module. Take out the 2 screws. Slide it out. Take out this fan grill. Flip it over. We'll now be removing the Torx T10 security screws marked with the letter B. Flip it over. Take out this screw. Take out this screw. Lift up this whole hard drive bay. Take out this DVD plastic piece. Disconnect the fan cable. We'll be removing the fan next. Flip it over. We'll be now removing the 4 Torx black screws marked with the letter A. Flip it over. We are now able to lift up our whole motherboard, so take it out. We'll be removing the X clamp, or you can use microturn precision screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. We have one of these executor tools. Lift it up. Take out the 2 Phillips screws, and we'll be separating the heatsink from the fan. We'll be removing this power eject board. Take out all these screws. Lastly, we'll be removing this serial number back panel. It has just 2 clips. We'll be opening up our DVD drive. We'll be giving it a quick clean and we'll be replacing the old laser mechanism with a brand new one. Remove this rubber band, flip it over, take out the 4 Phillips screws. Grab your metal spudger. We'll be just peeling off the adhesive here so we can lift up our bottom cover. Disconnect these 3 cables. Take out this screw. We'll be lifting up our PCBs. Untuck these cables first from here. Unclip this and lift it up. That's a laser mechanism. Remove the 4 screws. Just lift it up. Grab your new mechanism, align it here and place it in. Put back the 4 screws. Put back the PCB. Put back the 3 cables. Tuck these cables under here. Put back this PCB screw. Put back the bottom cover. Align it here. Put back the 4 screws. Put back this rubber. Let's start with the assembly. We'll be getting a faceplate ready. We'll be placing the board and the power eject button. Place the 6 screws. Give it a quick test to see if it works. Yep, that's all okay. Moving on, let's get our heatsink and the fan assembly ready. So place it exactly like this. Place the 2 screws. Place your fan. Flip it over. And we're placing this X clamps. So just make sure it's sitting like this on these connectors. Flip it over and we'll be connecting the fan power cable. Grab your bottom tray, place this connectors panel. So align these two first. Place your motherboard in. Flip it over and we'll be placing these 4 X-clamp screws first. We'll be placing our hard drive bay next. Place the screw. We're going to be placing this screw at the back. Place this fan cover. We'll be placing the RF module. Place the 2 screws as well. We'll be placing this DVD panel next. We'll be placing the DVD drive next and place the 2 connectors. Next step is we'll be placing all the screws marked with the letter B. Flip it over and keep holding it from here. Moving on, we'll be placing our faceplate back on. In order to do that, we need to eject the DVD tray. So grab your pin tool and take out the DVD drive tray. And we'll be connecting the faceplate ribbon cable. Grab your top cover, we'll be placing it in and we'll be placing the long 5 torque screws. We're replacing our bottom cover. Slide it in, press it down. We're replacing this side grill first. Place the hard drive cover. Place the Wi-Fi module. Put back this side grill.